All right, y'all, let's dive into how AI is turning the creative world on its head. For years, our imagination has been the main driver of art, music, and storytelling. But now, AI is playing a major role in this space, opening up new horizons and breaking down barriers. Think about it. AI algorithms can now generate music, paint stunning artworks, and even write stories. But hey, don't get it twisted. AI ain't replacing human creativity. It's enhancing it. Picture this. A musician struggling with writer's block can use AI to generate fresh melodies that spark new ideas. Or an artist looking to experiment with different styles can use AI to blend genres in ways they never imagined. Exciting, right? But that's not all. AI is also democratizing creativity. Once upon a time, advanced tools were only available to big studios or well-funded creators. Nowadays, with AI tools at our fingertips, anyone with a laptop can create professional quality content. And let's talk about speed. What used to take days or even weeks, AI can churn out in mere minutes. Need a logo? AI's got you covered. Want a short film script? AI can whip one up faster than you can say action. But remember, folks, with great power comes great responsibility. It's up to us to use these tools wisely, to amplify our unique human touch rather than relying solely on AI. Creativity is all about that human connection, and AI is just another brush in our artistic toolkit. So there you have it. AI's impact on creativity is indeed a game changer. The future is brimming with possibilities, and I can't wait to see what y'all come up with. Stay creative, stay inspired, and embrace the AI revolution. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.